India is accelerating the shift toward piped natural gas (PNG) to reduce LPG import dependence and improve energy security. Types of cooking and transport fuels. India uses multiple forms of gaseous fuels for domestic and industrial purposes. Liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) is a mixture of propane and butane obtained during oil refining and natural gas processing. Liquefied natural gas (LNG) is natural gas cooled to extremely low temperature to convert it into liquid form for transport. Piped natural gas (PNG) is natural gas supplied directly to households through pipelines. Compressed natural gas (CNG) is natural gas compressed for use as a vehicular fuel. Each of these fuels differs in storage, transport, and uses. LPG is cylinder-based while PNG is pipeline-based, making it more continuous and convenient. Transport and distribution mechanism. The logistics of fuel distribution differ significantly across fuel types. LPG is transported in cylinders after being liquefied and pressurized and delivered physically to households. LNG is transported through specialized carriers at extremely low temperatures and later regasified. PNG is delivered through underground pipelines directly to consumers. Pipeline-based delivery reduces handling and storage risk while ensuring an uninterrupted supply. Why LPG became dominant in India? India adopted LPG as the primary cooking fuel due to logistical convenience. Cylinder-based delivery is easier to implement compared to building an extensive pipeline network. This made LPG suitable for rapid expansion, especially under schemes like PM Ujjwala Yojana. However, LPG supply chains are vulnerable to disruption, especially due to import dependence. News summary. The Union government is actively promoting piped natural gas as an alternative to LPG. Driven by concerns over import dependence and global disruption, India currently has around 33 crore LPG connections. Officials estimate that domestic natural gas production could potentially support up to 30 crore connections if households transition to PNG. One of the key reasons behind this push is India's heavy reliance on LPG imports. Nearly 3/5 of LPG demand is made through imports, with about 90% routed through the Strait of Hormuz, which has been affected by geopolitical tensions. In contrast, LNG imports are more diversified globally, making natural gas a more secure option. The government is also taking policy measures to accelerate PNG adoption. It is expected that around 15 lakh new PNG connections will be added in the near term. A major policy shift includes discouraging dual connections. Households may be required to transition fully to PNG where available, leading to an increase in PNG adoption. Currently, PNG connections have crossed 1.5 crore and are expected to reach 2 crore soon. The government aims to expand this to 12 crore connections by 2034. To support this expansion, India is rapidly developing pipeline infrastructure. The existing pipeline network spans about 25,000 km with an additional 10,500 km under construction. Advantages of PNG. Energy security. Reduces dependence on LPG imports and vulnerable supply routes. Convenience provides an uninterrupted supply without cylinder replacement. Cost efficiency. Lower logistic and handling costs in the long run. Environmental benefits. Natural gas burns cleaner than LPG and reduces emissions. These advantages align with India's broader goals of energy transition and sustainability. Challenges in PNG expansion. High initial investment in pipeline infrastructure. Difficulties in land acquisition and approvals. Uneven geographical coverage. Limited awareness and technical readiness among industrial users. Additionally, India LNG system operates on a just-in-time model with limited storage, making it vulnerable to supply disruptions. Way forward. India must adopt a balanced approach for gas-based energy transition, expand pipeline infrastructure to underserved regions, increase domestic natural gas production, strengthen LNG import and storage capacity, improve regulatory coordination for faster approvals, promote awareness and technical support for industries.